Hello users. Today we'll take a short break to remember something we often used with our CRT monitors. Screen filters. Long hours in front of a CRT monitor often caused eye strain and fatigue. Anti-glare and anti-radiation filters filtered out radiation and reflections from the monitor's glass. Most of them also included a ground to dissipate static buildup. Time to open the box and see what we've got. Here's our filter. Let's adjust the height and place it on our monitor. Finally, we'll use the crocodile tip for the ground connection. By readjusting the height, we can use it with a different monitor. Now we can safely work for hours in front of our CRT. That's all for today, users. Until next time, here are some more videos for you.